Losing belly fat can be a difficult and daunting task for many individuals, but with the right approach and mindset, it is possible to achieve desired results in a relatively short period of time. Unfortunately, obesity has become a prevalent issue in today's society, with statistics showing that there are more overweight individuals than those who are underweight. This issue is further compounded by the fact that if parents have a child with weight problems, there is an 80% chance that their offspring will also suffer from this condition. Obesity can lead to a plethora of health issues such as joint pain, cancer, stroke, and more. In the United States alone, almost 4.5 million citizens have a weight of over 300 pounds, and 1 out of 3 American teenagers and children are either obese or overweight. Furthermore, the amount of money spent on fast food in the US has reached an alarming $120 billion, a significant increase from the $3 billion spent 50 years ago. Despite these daunting statistics, there is hope for those looking to lose belly fat. One simple ingredient that can aid in weight loss is eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and can help to keep individuals full for longer periods of time, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. Incorporating eggs into your breakfast routine can help jumpstart your weight loss journey. It is important to note that weight loss should not be rushed and should be approached in a safe and healthy manner. Crash diets, starvation, or taking supplements without consulting a doctor can lead to negative consequences. Instead, a sustainable approach to weight loss is crucial. This means consuming at least 1,200 calories per day and avoiding products that are high in carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, sugar, and artificial sweeteners. Instead, focus on incorporating healthy, whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. In addition to making dietary changes, incorporating exercise into your daily routine is crucial for weight loss. Cardio and strength training can help to burn calories and build muscle, which can increase metabolism and lead to weight loss. It is also important to avoid certain practices in order to lose weight safely. Starvation or a diet too low in calories can lead to the opposite effect, as the body loses muscle mass instead of fat. This can slow down metabolism and increase the risk of diabetes type 2. Supplements that promise wonders should also be approached with caution, as companies producing them do not have to provide proof that they are natural or good for one's health. Detox programs should also be treated with caution, as they often lead to weight loss through the loss of water and other liquids, putting individuals at risk of dehydration. In conclusion, it is possible to lose belly fat at home in just 3 days with the aid of eggs and a healthy approach to weight loss. By incorporating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and avoiding harmful practices, individuals can jumpstart their weight loss journey and lead to overall better health and well-being. However, it is important to consult with a doctor before starting any weight loss program. Diet plan for losing belly fat in 3 days. Day 1. 1. Breakfast, drink a cup of green tea, no sugar, and eat 2 tomatoes and 2 boiled eggs. 2. Lunch, have 2 egg whites, perfect source of protein, 4 ounces of fish, boiled or baked, and drink a cup of green tea. 2. Between lunch and dinner, you can have a snack of 1 apple. 3. Dinner, your favorite steamed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, peas, green beans, cauliflower, etc., and a cup of green tea, no sugar. Day 2. 1. Breakfast, drink a cup of unsweetened green tea and eat 2 boiled eggs and a banana. 2. Lunch, enjoy 2 egg whites, 4.2 ounces of chicken, boiled without skin, and your favorite green tea. 3. Dinner, a piece of rusk, 4 ounces of cottage cheese, and a cup of low-fat milk. Day 3. 1. Breakfast, drink a glass of tomato juice and eat 2 boiled eggs. 2. Lunch, green tea, 2 egg whites again, and 4.2 ounces of cooked red meat. 3. Dinner, baked potatoes and a cup of green tea. Note, it is important to consult with a doctor before starting any diet plan. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.